Welcome back to Snow Dogs Cooking, you guys. Today, we're making breakfast for dinner because the best thing to have for dinner is breakfast. And this is actually a recipe that we have made like a bajillion times.
Yep, all different ways.
We've made it many different ways, but we used to make it all the time when we lived together because it fed a lot of people.
Yep.
That was probably the best. And it was cheap.
Yep.
All you needed was,
very cheap.
yeah, it was super cheap, super easy. Takes like 45 minutes to bake. That was probably the worst part. But we're making some egg bake. We're gonna use these epic farm fresh eggs. How cute they are. Yeah, don't drop it. Yeah, it's got little speckles on it. Jamie just washed them off, so have them all ready to make this. Shelby really wants us to drop an egg. Not gonna happen. Oku's over there checking for some dropped eggs. I don't know what Memphis is doing. What are you doing, weirdo? All right, let's get some stuff together and make this stuff. First thing we're gonna want to do: preheat the oven to 325. Next, melt half a stick of butter. Half a stick of butter. You really want that, don't you?
It's the cheese.
It is. It's the cheese. She's like, guys, there's cheese. There's cheese. Oh, good catch. All right, everybody doesn't need to get a bunch of cheese. Yep. The other dogs are like, wait, what? No, you don't all need. Oh, there, Memphis found some. All right. All right, so we're using a 9x13 pan. We're gonna grease it.
Grease it.
By grease it, we mean spray it, because that's easy.
I'm not that lazy.
All right. That way, hopefully nothing will stick to it. Now, the first thing that's gonna go in here is we're using 4 cups of croutons. And ours are mostly, what were they, seasoned and a little bit of garlic cheese croutons, but look how amazing that looks. We've used a lot of different things in the past. We've used, what were we just saying? We used
crescent rolls.
Toast.
We used crescent rolls.
Mashed
So
tater tots.
pretty much anything that's gonna soak up eggs can be used in the bottom of this. Looks so good. Now take that butter, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and we're just gonna drizzle it all over there. Drizzle it all over the croutons.
I'm gonna drop the bowl.
Whoa! Mmm. Dun, 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 dun. I guess we probably could have beaten the eggs even before we did all that.
Probably, huh?
Well, let's do that next. Yep. So we have a few more than 8 because our eggs are different sizes. But if you're using regular eggs, you're going to want 8 large eggs. And we're going to crack them and whip them together. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Memphis is like, do I get an egg?
Show it there.
Do I get some egg?
You're gonna be
Do you want an egg? You can't have the egg.
Wait.
Sorry. While they are working on cracking the eggs, finally, and this actually happened before this video went up, but we finally have a website, snowdogscooking.com, where we're going to have all of the ingredients for everything listed out on the website. So there will be a link down in the video description to the website. So those of you that keep saying, we need to be able to read this stuff and print this stuff out, we made it happen. It happened. So go on down there and check it out. I'm sure over time, I'll make the website look a little bit better than it does. It's kind of empty now. We need more recipes. Okay, so we have all of our eggs cracked, and we put our croutons in here and we buttered them. Now we're going to take 2 cups of cheese, and we're using Monterey Jack cheese. You can pretty much use whatever you want. Mild cheddar, pepper jack. Jamie's gonna beat the eggs together.
All the cheese?
Watch, you're gonna make a mess.
They're pretty sticky.
Yeah, it says 2 cups of cheese, so that's what we usually use. It looks like a lot, but once it all kind of cooks together, I think it isn't as much as we think.
It serves quite a few. It serves good.
Yeah, it feeds a lot of people.
I'm thinking some goes on the top, but I think some floats up.
Yeah, it does. It floats.
Yep. Same thing with
Mix this
bacon.
up with the other
So Jamie's
guys
gonna mix
right
all
now.
those eggs together. They're mixing together. Farm fresh eggs always have such yellow yolks.
These ones weren't too bad. There were 1 or 2 that were pretty
It looks like
yellow.
banana pudding.
I was thinking when we
don't
like
say that.
pumpkin.
Oh, it does. It does kind of look like pumpkin. Ew. 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 Sorry. So now you can do this in a big bowl, but we're just gonna do it in this 4-cup measure. We're gonna go ahead and mix together the milk. And then what is it? 1 tablespoon of
bigger bowl.
mustard.
Nah.
1 tablespoon?
Yeah, and I got the mustard and the tablespoon right there.
That's a lot of mustard.
Yeah, I thought it was weird that it said mustard, but you know, whatever.
It'll give it a little zip.
I'm sure it's got a
Little
reason.
zing.
Look at this. This is so crazy. All right, so
Yeah, get
1
that
tablespoon of mustard. Mix all that in. Oh my goodness. Oh. Is that good water? Good. Yeah, Simpsons yellow. And then, the reason we left it in our 4-cup measure is because it was easier to pour. Now we're gonna slowly pour this mixture over top of everything. Oh my goodness.
Make sure I got that mustard mixed.
Whoa!
All right,
All
Jenny.
that time and you didn't spill it. Right at the end. Pouring it all over. Oh, watch it dripping right out the bottom.
Oh, I saw that.
There you go.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Throw things. It's gonna be drippy.
Oh my goodness. That looks pretty good. And now the last step is to take, we did a whole package of bacon, and we baked it and made it kind of crunchy. And now we're gonna take all that bacon and sprinkle it all over the top of this. Bacon.
Here, let me help.
You just want to lick your fingers.
Mm-hmm.
Oakley's like, can I lick your fingers? He's not using that hand, honey. Ooh, bacon makes everything better. What? I guess if we save 3 little pieces of bacon, the oven's preheated, the dogs could probably have 3 little tiny pieces of bacon. Better give Shelby one first, though. She's waiting. Bacon. Oh, here comes Oakley. Oakley's like, wait, bacon? Bacon. Memphis is over here clueless. She hears him crunching. Here.
She's been clueless more
Give
than
me a
what she
piece.
did.
I'll give it to her. Oh my goodness, bacon. Just a little tiny piece. That's all you get. All right. So now that all looks absolutely amazing, we're gonna pop it in the oven. Watch out, all the dogs are in the kitchen.
Yep, here we go. Wait a second.
Back up, Memphis. Now they're all in the way.
Back.
Get
Got
back.
it?
Get back.
All right.
Work.
Pop that in the oven. Set a timer for 45 minutes. Are you doing the old school timer? And in 45 minutes, we're gonna check on it and see if it's all done.
That didn't work right.
No, that timer's kind of funny. Alexa,
Bad timer.
set a timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
How many other people's timer just got set for 45 minutes? Oh, it's looking amazing. Says there's about 7 minutes left, starting to brown on the top. Looking good. Okay, it has been in the oven for 45 minutes. Now it is supposed to sit for 15 minutes. I think that's so you guys don't burn your faces
if
off.
it didn't smell like breakfast in here before, now it definitely does.
Yeah, I don't want to wait 15
Well, you gotta wait 15 minutes. It looks amazing. I think Shelby is right there, ain't she?
Yep.
Hi, Shelby. How's it going? Sorry you can't have any.
No.
Sorry, you guys just had dinner, so you're good. So anyway, we're gonna let this sit and settle for about 15 minutes, and then I guess we're gonna try it. So that is what it looks like all up close. All the goodness. You can kind of see the croutons all got smushed in it. Hey, look, a dog hair on my food.
Yeah, you might want to cut a piece.
Cut a piece and don't burn yourself.
Well, it's hot. I can see it steaming.
I can smell the mustard. How weird is that?
I can smell it too.
Smell
actually. Yeah. Yeah, no, I can smell it.
Can you smell it? That little tiny bit of a mustard? Smell this piece.
Mm-hmm.
Weird.
Fine.
Is it good? Woo! I like it better with the croutons and the crescent rolls. I might even like it better with the toast than the croutons, but
Yeah.
For the hash
No.
browns.
I like it the best with hash browns.
The hash browns is really, really good, but you have to make sure you really brown the hash browns, and sometimes that's hard to do.
I like the flavor, the seasoning of the croutons.
I
gives
think
to it.
I was gonna say that too. I do too. Just the
Tell me no.
seasoned crouton.
Mm-hmm.
I like
You
that.
have
That's
it,
pretty
you
good.
have
And then
sour
yeah,
onions.
I can definitely get the hint of that mustard.
Mm-hmm.
Can't have any.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Well, don't burn yourself.
That's
It's
breakfast.
hot.
If you guys end up making it, tag us on our social media sites
Yeldy.
to show us what you made. As always, leave some comments down below to suggest what you want to see us make next. That's all we have. We're gonna eat. This is so hot. Look at
It
that.
is still really hot.
Still steaming.
Mm-hmm.
As always, if you guys
Good
are new
one.
to this channel and you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends to help us grow the audience. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.
God, I like that made.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
It just sucks. It takes an hour to make.
Yeah.